Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am back with Itonga, the May teaser. It's going to be a little bit of a long one. Again, please do forgive me. English is not my mother tongue. My mother tongue is Setswana. So, please do bear with me. Thursday rather, the 1st of May. Pray, fast, do something. Ayanda's behavior has the Magwazas wondering if something supernatural may be going on. Tulisile finds out just what kind of an enemy she is facing. Friday the 2nd of May. When the guns fall silent, Pablo tightens his grip on power, leaving fear in his wake. Tulisile faces the truth that some battles aren't won with strategy, but with sheer survival. The Magwazas honor Banele's memory as an unsettling truth unravels that could shake their family to its core. Monday the 5th of May. A village divided. Tulisile's water project collapses. Can she find a way to fight back? Pablo tightens his grip on the community, so no one dares to challenge his role. Tuesday the 6th of May. What did you say? Sanele defies Pablo. Nokwanda puts fear into Ayanda's metric dance. In his frustration, Pablo says too much to Makumalo. Wednesday the 7th of May. My true love. Pablo finally confesses his love. Oh my word, I love love. Sanele receives an unexpected update regarding a new project. Thursday the 8th of May. A favor owed. Banele makes his presence known to Sanele in the midst of his new big project. Lungelo's world tilts a little when the devil finally comes to collect on a favor owed. Ooh. Friday the 9th of May. Vanished. Lungelo is forced to do something about that Lungelo is forced to do something that will compromise Tuli. The unexpected happens as the Magwazas. Okay, I think they wanted to say at the Magwazas. Monday the 12th of May. Pay back the money. Letha imali ayibuye. Tuli and Sanele are making progress with the water projects, unaware the business forum is executing their ruin. Ayanda returns home with no memory of where she went, making Nokwanda worry deeply. Tuesday the 13th of May. All for nothing. Just as Tuli and Sanele think they have everything under control, they are dealt another blow. The Magwaza spiral into panic when the unexpected occurs. Wednesday the 14th of May. Spiritual realm. Sanele puts a shocking plan in motion. Ayanda has a spiritual encounter. Thursday the 15th of May. The Gash. Zama starts to worry that Pinda might have some dark plans for Sanele. Nokwanda tries to help Ayanda behind everyone's back. Friday the 16th of May. Price of water. Tuli and Sanele's victory is short-lived. Ayanda delivers a chilling message to the Magwazas. 19 May. Death is nothing but to live defeated. Mambele has searing and damning words for Sanele. Guilt pledges Lungelo. Tuesday the 20th of May. The thunderstorm. Pablo puts the final hammer into destroying Sanele and the Magwazas. Ayanda's happiness is short-lived when she is stuck by paralysis. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, Wednesday the 21st of May. When truth is silenced, chaos speaks. With the contract lost, Sanele takes desperate steps to save Magwaza Construction. But at what cost? Ayanda's condition worsens, and the family fears this is beyond medical explanation. Gadla spreads dangerous rumors as he tightens his grip on the project and the workers. Thursday, the 22nd of May. Things fall apart. Things continue to fall apart for Sanele, and chilling message from the other side brings him to his knees. Friday, the 23rd of May. Itonga lami. Two spirits fight for one body. Who will emerge victorious? A loved one's life hangs by a thread. Now the two spirits is Sanele and Banele. That is the part, Bazalwane, that made me not continue to watch, because I always want Usanele to win, and the story is around Itonga, the mystery behind the two spirit, the mystery behind barking the twins, and so I get emotional because I want Usanele to always win. Let's continue. Monday, the 26th of May. The switch. Sanele's body walks the earth, but another soul is in control, meaning Banele won. While Pablo's eye is on Gadla's tender, Gadla is eyeing Pablo's best possession. Tuesday, the 27th of May. Ask me about it. Banele takes a drastic measure that threatens to expose him and Sanele. Okay, meaning now Banele is the one that is in existence and living, but Usanele's spirit has calmed down or has succumbed to Itong. Wow. Zama takes a leap of faith and opens herself up to a suitor. Wednesday, the 28th of May. Familiar face, unknown fire. Banele gambles on peace with Gadla, but walks away with nothing but shame. Makhumalo and Mbali begin to fear the man they love is slipping away from them. Thursday, the 29th of May. Chess moves and longing hearts. Banele to change tact to outsmart an opponent. Zama realizes that moving on from Banele won't be easy. Oh my word, Zama and Banele. Friday, the 30th of May. How to separate a soul. Banele and Sanele celebrate a victory, but Banele makes a decision that will compromise them both. What that decision is, we are going to see when? On the 30th of May. Now, the premiere episodes of Itonga air on Mzansi Magic from Monday to Friday at 8:30. Itonga has officially replaced what we used to love the most, being Umkhokha the Curse. However, it looks like it's an interesting storyline if you remove your emotions from Zama and Sanele and the Banele situation. If you remove your emotions there, it seems like the storyline is going to be great. But if you put your emotions there, then the storyline will not go great for you. Who is going to win in the end? Will it be Sanele or will it be Banele? Or the storyline will forever revolve around these two twins fighting through the spirit, the body, and everything else in between. And also, does Banele taking over show ukuthi Banele is stronger than Usanele? Because to where I am seated or where I am standing, it looks like definitely Banele is stronger, and at this point Usanele is a follower in his own body. Wow, yeah, that is Itonga. Let us see how far it puts us. Let us see how far it takes us. In everything that happens, Bazalwane, come back, comment, let us discuss ngayo link endaba so that I know if you like it and if we can review it on a daily basis. But for now, I am not reviewing any telenovela, any soapy, any drama. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.